Happy Halloween, bakers!
And welcome to the Love Kitchen, where we cook, make, and bake healthy recipes with love. Today, since we don't have Loretta Love, we have organic, outstanding Oris.
And amazing Amika.
Today we're going to be making sweet potato pie.
It's gluten-free, sugar-free, and keto-friendly.
Let's get started.
You will need the following ingredients.
Gluten-free, sugar-free, unbaked pie crust. Butter or coconut oil. Monk fruit sweetener. Vanilla extract. Ground cinnamon. Eggs. Sweet potatoes. Cream. And ground nutmeg. You will also need a masher, a strong knife, a peeler, a pie plate, a cutting board, a big pot, a strainer, a mixing bowl, and measuring cups and spoons, and ginger. Stop the video here to see what you need. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Peel 1 pound of potatoes and cut them up. Put your potatoes in a pot and fill the pot up with water until the potatoes start floating. Set your stove to max and bring the potatoes to a boil. Then strain your potatoes. Add half a cup of butter to your potatoes. Cut the butter up and mash. Add half a cup of cream, half a cup of monk fruit sweetener, 2 eggs, one teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and mash. Once it looks like this, take your unbaked, sugar-free, gluten-free pie crust and put it in. Smooth it out. You can draw a little design on there, but be careful because if you don't make it too thick, the design will shrink. Put it in the oven and set a timer for 55 minutes. "55 minutes later, it should be done. Take it out of the oven and stick a toothpick in it. If the toothpick comes out clean, it's ready.
Let's dig in.
Please subscribe and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time we post a new Love Kitchen video.
Thanks for tuning in.
Bye!
Bye.